Let's talk lube, folks. Yes, you heard me right. Lube can be a game changer in the bedroom, turning a mundane experience into something truly magical. It's the magic potion that can transform intimacy from meh to oh my. Whether you're looking to spice things up or simply make things smoother, lube can be your best friend. But lately, there's been a surge in people searching for DIY alternatives. With the rise of the internet, it's easier than ever to find recipes and suggestions for homemade lubes. While experimenting can be fun, our bodies deserve the safest and most pleasurable experiences. It's important to remember that not all ingredients are created equal, and what works in the kitchen might not be suitable for the bedroom. That's why we need to talk about the potential risks of using just anything in the bedroom. Some DIY lubes can cause irritation, infections, or even allergic reactions. It's crucial to be informed and cautious. Believe me, I've heard it all on my Sex with Emily podcast. From coconut oil to aloe vera, people are getting creative. But creativity shouldn't come at the cost of safety. So, let's dive into the world of lube alternatives, separating fact from fiction. We'll explore the pros and cons of popular DIY options and help you make informed decisions. Ensuring your intimate moments are both safe and satisfying is our top priority. So, stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries of lube and discover the best options for you and your partner. Remember, communication with your partner is key. Discussing your preferences and concerns can lead to a more enjoyable and safe experience for both of you. When it comes to purchasing lube, always read the labels and choose products that are body safe and free from harmful chemicals. Your health and pleasure are worth the extra effort. If you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance and recommendations tailored to your needs. At the end of the day, the goal is to enhance your intimate moments and create lasting memories. So, let's make sure we're doing it the right way. Self-care and self-love are essential components of a healthy, intimate life. Taking the time to understand your body and its needs can lead to more fulfilling experiences. So, let's embrace the journey of discovery together, ensuring that every step is taken with care and consideration. Here's to safe, satisfying, and sensational intimate moments. Ever notice how during those chilly winter months, even our love lives can feel a bit dry? It's not just you. Cold weather, indoor heating, and even certain medications can impact our natural lubrication. Suddenly, that go-to lube seems to disappear faster than your favorite holiday cookies. This seasonal scarcity often sends people on a quest for alternatives, scouring the internet for quick fixes. But before you raid your pantry, let's talk about why some of those DIY solutions might not be so delightful after all. The internet is a wild place, especially when it comes to bedroom hacks. With just a few clicks, you can find yourself immersed in a world of unconventional advice and creative solutions. A quick search can lead you down a rabbit hole of alternative lube suggestions, ranging from the practical to the downright bizarre. It's amazing how many options are out there, each claiming to be the next best thing. Among the most popular DIY lubes are coconut oil and olive oil, which often top the list. These kitchen staples are praised for their natural properties and easy accessibility. Reddit forums are buzzing with personal anecdotes, where users share their experiences and tips. Some threads are filled with enthusiastic endorsements, while others offer cautionary tales. Many people praise the smoothness and natural feel of these kitchen staples, claiming they enhance their intimate moments. The idea of using something so familiar and natural can be very appealing. However, not all experiences are positive. Some recount tales of unexpected irritation, allergic reactions, and other uncomfortable side effects. It's a reminder that what works for one person might not work for another. While it's tempting to believe everything you read online, it's important to approach these suggestions with a healthy dose of skepticism. Not all advice is created equal, and some can even be harmful. Remember, our bodies are not salad bowls. Just because something is safe to eat doesn't mean it's safe to use as a lube. The skin and intimate areas can be very sensitive and react differently to various substances. It's crucial to have open and honest conversations about these topics. What works for one person might spell disaster for another. Always consider your own body's needs and reactions, and when in doubt, consult a healthcare professional. Educating yourself about safe intimacy practices is key. There are plenty of resources available that can provide reliable information and help you make informed decisions. Sometimes, the best option is to stick with products specifically designed for intimate use. These are formulated to be safe and effective, reducing the risk of irritation and other issues. In the end, the goal is to find what works best for you and your partner, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience. So, whether you choose a DIY option or a store-bought product, make sure it's safe and suitable for your needs. One Redditor swears by the moisturizing properties of coconut oil, claiming it transformed their sex life. They describe how it made intimate moments smoother and more enjoyable, adding a natural touch to their experiences. Coconut oil, they say, is not just a kitchen staple but a bedroom essential. They rave about its versatility, using it not only as a lubricant but also as a massage oil, enhancing their connection with their partner. The natural scent and texture, they claim, add an extra layer of intimacy, making every moment feel special. Another user raves about the affordability of using olive oil. They highlight how it's a cost-effective alternative to commercial lubricants, which can often be expensive. Olive oil, they argue, is readily available in most households, making it a convenient option. They share their positive experiences, noting how it has a smooth texture and is gentle on the skin. For them, it's not just about saving money, but also about using a natural product that they trust. They appreciate its multi-purpose use, from cooking to skincare and now as a part of their intimate life. But scroll a little further, and you'll find cautionary tales of yeast infections, allergic reactions, and even broken condoms. Some users share their horror stories, warning others about the potential risks. They talk about how using these oils led to unexpected health issues, disrupting their intimate lives. Yeast infections, they say, can be particularly uncomfortable and challenging to treat. Others mention allergic reactions, with symptoms ranging from mild irritation to severe discomfort. And then there are the stories of broken condoms, leading to anxiety and stress about potential pregnancies or sexually transmitted infections. The reality is, these anecdotal experiences don't paint the whole picture. While some people have positive experiences, others face significant challenges. It's essential to consider the diversity of human bodies and how they react differently to various substances. What works for one person might not work for another. These personal stories, while valuable, are not a substitute for scientific evidence and professional advice. They highlight the need for a more nuanced understanding of how different products can impact our health and well-being. Our bodies are complex, and what might seem like a harmless hack can disrupt our delicate pH balance and increase the risk of infections. The skin, especially in intimate areas, is sensitive and requires products that are specifically designed for its care. Using kitchen oils, which are not formulated for such use, can lead to unintended consequences. Medical professionals emphasize the importance of using products that are tested and proven to be safe for intimate use. They caution against experimenting with household items, as the long-term effects can be detrimental. So before you swap your trusted lube for a pantry staple, let's hear what the experts have to say. Health professionals and dermatologists recommend sticking to products that are specifically designed for intimate use. They stress the importance of understanding the ingredients and their potential impact on your body. Consulting with a healthcare provider can provide personalized advice and help you make informed decisions. Remember, while natural products can be appealing, they are not always the safest option. Prioritizing your health and well-being should always come first. Section 5. Oil and water don't mix. The perils of kitchen concoctions. Here's the deal. Many household oils, while great for cooking, are a big no-no for intimate use. Why? They can disrupt the vagina's natural pH balance, making it more susceptible to infections. Plus, oil-based lubes can break down latex condoms, putting you at risk for STIs and unplanned pregnancies. Remember that time you tried to mix oil and water? Yeah, it doesn't end well. The same goes for your body. Section 6. The expert verdict: safe and sensual choices for your pleasure. Now that we've debunked some myths, let's talk about what you safely use. Water-based lubes are your best bet. They're body-safe, condom-compatible, and won't mess with your pH. Look for options that are hypoallergenic and free of fragrances and parabens. If you're feeling adventurous, explore silicone-based lubes, which are long-lasting and ideal for water play. Remember, your pleasure is important, and using the right lube can make all the difference. Section 7. Beyond the bedroom lube and sexual wellness. Lube isn't just about making sex more enjoyable. It's an essential part of sexual wellness. It can ease discomfort during intercourse, enhance sensations, and even help with self-love practices. By normalizing lube use, we break down stigmas and empower individuals to take control of their pleasure. Remember, there's no shame in needing a little extra lubrication. It's all about taking care of your body and prioritizing your pleasure. Section 8. Navigating intimacy, communication, and consent. Speaking of prioritizing your pleasure, let's talk about communication. Talking openly with your partner about lube can enhance intimacy and ensure both of you feel comfortable and respected. Whether you're trying a new product or simply need extra lubrication, communication is key to a fulfilling and pleasurable experience. Remember, consent is crucial, and that includes feeling empowered to say yes to safer sex practices. Section 9. Playing it safe, your body, your rules. At the end of the day, it's all about making informed choices that prioritize your health and happiness. While experimenting can be fun, it's crucial to do your research and consult with healthcare professionals. Remember, your body is your temple, and you deserve the safest and most pleasurable experiences. So ditch the DIY hacks and embrace the world of safe and